In Google CTF 2023, I was able to solve two questions, one of which is under construction. In this, we were given two websites. One is made in Flask and the other is made in PHP. And the description says we are building the web app, but the new CEO wants it remade in PHP. I downloaded the attachment, and there are two folders in the given attachment. The one is Flask related code and the other PHP related code. So if we go through these files, in the app.py is just the global variable and a function that returns app is adding some authorized routes for get, post, sign up for get and post. And also login. The other thing is just the model, nothing too exciting. Is to work unauthorized routes. Okay. And if we see in this authorized route, apart from all the functions or routes, it has so much of functionality, and we can say it's taking the raw request data and extracting the variables from them, checking if it's gold and not allowing if it's gold, and checking the length to be reasonable for the username, adding the username, and yeah, saving the user to the database and sending it to PHP as the new CEO requires it. So the thing is, they're sending the same request, whatever it came from the website, to the PHP. So what is the PHP code? Let's see. This is account cleanup code. I think it's probably function is to remove the created accounts after a period of time. And if you see the migrator, there's the account migrator PHP, which I think is being called here. So it's checking HTTP post, and there is a server variable of HTTP token, and it has to be equal to this migrator token. That is the environment variable token, and it's all like these both are equal, fine. And all the three variables has to be set, fine. We call this function these three, and function select does do the hash, and if there is something server error, then respond with 500. Store the details. That's it. And if we see here, there is a function that responds. Yeah, you can see the flag. If we are a gold tier, which they are not allowing us to be, we'll get the flag. Okay. So that's what we need to do. Like we need to log in somehow as a gold tier person in PHP. So initially I thought we need to do something with the hashing. After going through all the code and spending some time, I remembered HTTP pollution from pawn functions video and how different applications parse parameters with same keys differently. I think I could use this to get access to the gold tier. So I thought of sending a request where you'll have two tiers. The first tier is non-gold and the second tier is gold, as the flask takes the initial value, whereas the PHP takes the letter. So I thought of creating a request anything other than gold in the first and gold in the second. So for that I need to sign up, and for signing up let's take a random username and random password rather than simply signing up like generally people might use curl for this. I am a bit lazy, so let me just edit this HTML. If you see the network, sign up. Uh, you can see the payload is tire blue, tire gold. The second tire is gold. That's what we want to send because the first part, this part is seen by Flask, and this part is the other second part is seen by the PHP by the nature of parsing because there is no standard for them, and we'll be given the flag. So let's see, random random login, and boom, there's the flag. Yeah, that's how I solved this under construction CTF problem. Thank you.